Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna begin the new series called Every HTML Tag Ever. So if you remember Smalls, they do this kind of stuff. No, they don't do coding, but the idea is from them. So first is the A tag. So what A tag does is make you hyperlink to another pages like that. So first, what I'm gonna do is uh, you show the real case of a HTML A tag. So A, and inside the href attribute you need to give a what we call location, specific location. So https slash slash www dot w3, the schools is a good website which will teach you how to do codes, but you can get me from free. That will be is it. So if you now see this on the browser, you will see nothing because you didn't put anything inside that. So the thing you inside here you will see at here. So what I'm gonna do is visit um, spelling on, yeah, visit here. So you can see when you click that, you will go to this website. Why this website is not reaching yet? That will be okay, and that's their fault. So you get the point what that does. And there is another attribute which is goes with hand. There are many times you need uh, open in another tab. You don't want to do that. You don't want to clicking like this and open a new tab like this. You hate doing this, right? So how we gonna do that? So let's begin. There is a target tag, and just target blank, just type this, yeah. And when you do that, when you click this tab now, it will go to that website. So this is the way you can do that. So that's it. And there is another thing called href blank. So which is you can specify the language. If your website is I-18 or international website, if you are making, if you don't know what they are, you can learn it from me, I guess. So Ian Lang, and you need to give the internationalization of Ian. So if somebody from French and change the HTML Lang to French, your website will be changed to French. I don't know French, honestly, so yeah. And that's it. And there is something called media resolution. So these are used in mainly in iPhones. So I'm gonna use that. you know so media resolution print is first, second, and how much resolution you wanna put. So resolution, and you need to specify that 300 dpi, I guess, and cover with the brackets. Done with that, and you click this, you want, I need to remove the blank, or either it's not gonna work. And this website is dead, so I'm gonna check another website which gonna work. So let me see any website. Google dot Google, Wait, what? Why doesn't it save? What the heck? I did something wrong, right? But what? So I need to save it. Maybe this time works. That's weird. Does it my internet not working? Yeah, that now it's working. So this is what it does. You can see in a resolution, this is the way it is. If you are directly go into Google, you won't see this kind of thing. That's it. And there is something called media. I mean, I covered it up, right? And there is absolute URL and unabsolute relative URL. So that's not, honestly, that's not used anyway. So I will skip that. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a download. So just here in this place, just type download. And the moment you type it here, it gonna download something, but just you need to specify a place, something like what we call a specific location. And yeah, you need to remove these things, or either it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna use any good image which gonna find it here, like let me go to the Wikipedia, something like what we call Google, Wikipedia, images. You wanted that image. Just unstep it. Yeah, I'm doing a very large process, but it's worth it. So saucy, and just copy it and paste it here. When we're done with that, what you need to do is just click it here, and you can wait, what? I think download tag is not working because it's a static website. That's why the website is blocking, but you get the point. If you do that, it will download that image for you. So hope you guys understand. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.